Yes, complicated. Got to go. Stuck he. Ski. Sled 2. All walls at the bottom. Guys, hello everyone. Here we go to open. By Ice Fishing. Season 2023-2024. Fishing start on the lake. It's still a little early on Chiriza. Of course you can go out somewhere somehow, but it's not worth it. Life she is more expensive. And on the ice we were always on the lake, also not in a hurry. Slaps a little crate, but since tighter. Then snow piled up, there was still water from below. Where are the drill holes? Where the ice failed, water protrudes. How to walk very hard, barely got enough. Came out still for dark. Wanted to come early. Did not work. -10 plus wind as always on this lake, that's why. Nothing in general, we will try to fish now. Buckles. Catch perches, and all perches immediately put on. First click on the flags, most likely if we catch, then we will rearrange on donks. About a week they will stand. Days 5 we will shoot, because we will have no time to work. Well, that's something like that. In brief. Weather then good. The sun seems to be like it will. Cloudless without snow. But the breeze. Okay, now clean the skis. Drink tea boxes and start fishing. Morally whole ass in soap. How inexpensive. So she is moon full. Practically waning, probably went. Here is so much water, nothing in general. Yes, somewhere covered. That hairy muzzle. Went to shave the whole he. Once in here water to perform. Shirt new took with bottle. Carnation ball only orange. Earned. There is first. Of this season here he is handsome. Yeah. Damn, it's water still on the lake. Very disturbing. Here is. Did not put on the balls at home, frozen already. Bait there, hotel. Something else also like for windows. Not glued if I don't quit. This hole. Mark tomorrow here. Maybe a perch will fit. Try this for interest. There is no difference. But there is such a lake that it rarely happens that in the gardener you catch something there. Perch of this. Expose, let him fish. What are they there? Something. In Saizachi in the bank. Here you go. Yeah. Transplant it. For the night. On donkey. Let it float for now. Is it a little? In the afternoon a bitch will come out. The sun is shining like this. Let it cost everything. Oh, scrambled. Trophy. Don't lose the trophy. Water of course generally perform. Horror. Second ope the ice cracks. Ice cracks I say under my feet. Fig because drilled already holes here. Well, yes, you need to drill it less often. Is okay. Unexpectedly Peck did not wait. Unexpected such here. Oop. Heh heh. New hole. New fish. Plaque here at all. Boots can be washed. Slowly so pecks a few things. Or rather there is one. There's nothing. 4 iron set already. Oh, still live. 5-5. 5-5 probably still leave them overnight. Most likely tomorrow we will come again. Hike clung probably parasite this small. On the jelly oop deliver them granny. In general, I'm fishing for a carnation ball. Orange is opana. Black. I'm here on this well, that's how it is. Wow, I have a bream there which pecked hay. Well yeah, nails ball. Yes, I have one. I have the same one, only orange. See. Quiet. So alive and swallows so good. Totally this one. Everything went mad where? No, and in the jar. Pike to catch and perch to catch. If they walk will of course. That year. Generally unsuccessful we got. Donks stood fry and. Nothing came across normally. What is there for us for a long time then? The fish didn't walk at all. Let this year. We'll succeed. But you need to try. Well, what is such here caught such? Here we put these on live. Bigger show your feathers. See which 1 hectare haul. Male. Small or beautiful after all, yes. Beautiful fish is gone. Well here probably throw it. Bait. Ball you need to throw. Damn eat saying can't catch. Well oh caught on. Still pulled you out. Trickster. Small one more jelly. Glue went. He can now half an hour. Half an hour here's a twitch and everything. Hey. So well, in general, we will use these here. Self-traps. Someone is getting attached with a stick rope, which is put on the hole. Here winding fishing line 8. Well, the slot in the wooden. Well, this is of course many already know, but few people have not seen. Everything is weighed and the fishing line is fixed in the slot. That is, she hangs. The resident cannot pull it off. Nasty tucking her here. And all the pike when she pecks. She then jerks with a jerk and it unwraps everything as fried went. Everything what? Double. Laden leash metal. This is from Nichrome. Dad made leashes. From Nichrome. Definitely won't let it pass already, she's not going anywhere. Well, such a simple device. We were fishing on them in the summer. Probe went when here. With Romka yet. And works in summer and winter. Such a universal tackle turns out. So right now 1 minute as we see, stick dad went to cut. Forgot to cut the damn stick down to this one. Install them then. Only threw under dressing and immediately pecked. Well, the ball didn't kill it. Which always I have it helped out this salad. Small one. Well yeah. Let's go. Oh caught. Well, in general, this is how these pecks here trophies. Heh. Well, we basically need these. This is my what hooked my fishing rod or something. Reversed, that's it, well done. Caught. In general, this is how it catches. We still have a couple more hours, there is time for 12 hours. Now how much more time will we have? We will put clothes. And let him catch something cool. Oh beer. Exhausted. Oh, this campaign too. 2 kilogram poor future. For sure on strawberry. Out sea. He if he gets caught. Well, that's greedy in principle. Little of him here or something. Jelly consist 5 pieces flags. I know tires. Oh look, caught on. Somewhere like this in places. Somewhere nothing at all. Something dramatically I have today is so confusing. I don't understand why. Two pieces of elephants is already figure yourself, like in morning record. It was in the morning too, record moment now still. I will catch the third one more. One year two somewhere we good with one. With one caught a few pieces third. I successfully drilled here. Gray only drives with his nose. You're the floor of the place somewhere. It should have happened today. How many empty holes? What did you suck there? A lot. Someone is jerking something here. Barely bites like that. Weak. And immediately whispered. Putting these. Oh show. And yo my something. Such a moon big. Trampled everything here. Installed more additionally. Donuts, the sun is already setting. And where is my fishing rod? Then dragged away or something, and the fishing rod is not visible. Everyone ate out, she stands. In general, another half-hour fishing. Can be catch pieces 5. If we catch we put. And for today probably everything. Very day short. Fast time flies by. You don't really have time even. And a seagull to drink, and rest all already. Left practically from the lake. We will also gather soon. Maximum put glands. How did the flags stand? So they stand. What's no wonder on this lake? For some reason it still comes out here. Whether at night or early in the morning or late at night I do not know. Fails so that flags work during the day. So okay, trying to catch something else. Set to fry and home. Tomorrow we will come, still probably put. Yes, that's the kind of perch pecking of course here. Basically. Roaches at all became little here. I used to remember being caught with the flood. A horse caught on here. Hey. Even more raft here we have. Perch. Pike poured all 8. Oh. Large. With. You can certainly pull this little thing. There is nothing there from her. But live, then go. Only this. Giveaway. That finished fishing. Still add and fry. In general today perch pecked bad, so to speak. Even we caught little in time. That is, we catch a batch. Let's go put. Catch, let's go put. Perch as always standard. Has slunks 1 2 3 happen. Normally at least ticked, yes, good. All let our fry catch. Let's hope for Nalimo. On pike da gray. Anything can get. Tomorrow probably not going. Wanted tomorrow first. Something. Already caught everything. More or less heathen exposed. A little bit elsewhere still put, but try. Everything let them catch. And we are going and out of here swim. Men, absolutely. Hello everyone. Waiting for donk check. Doing. We're coming here. That is, we put. Donks came in 2 days. At all. There was no one fish. Nothing of the 20 came across even. How many 15 did we have done? Only had 2 breakdowns. And everything means. Added a few more there glands. Said right now it's been 3 more days. Today froze. All these days have been a plus. Oh, plus there is -6 somewhere, -7. Snow went poured every day. Today at night froze here at -20 right now we were driving. Promised -14. On the lake -20 in the car showing while we reached. And the water never froze. Whimpers. In general right now. Catch some live. And. Doing a check. Don't know if we will shoot today or not them. Let's see. Maybe still. Still for the night. Maybe leave 1 flag by the way now worked. Well, not right now worked. 5 glands with a flag stands here. You can see that the flag is 1. Triggered lit. And what is there or not? Until they watched. Still right now we will catch jeans and we will check. Oh, how they were freezing. Yes, yes, gray. Everything is right. Wish it won't work. Even if something gets caught. Even if something pecks. She won't work. Not there alive. Dipper. I do not know, maybe let him back, he is still alive. Rearrange just her. Okay, now rearrange. Still and further catches. Yes, still lived is freezing. That's not all but here. The previous ones were in the water at all, although I did such coasters. So leave here. Seems to be nothing, only she is empty. There is no live hike either. Yes, she grabbed him small, but he is alive, let him stand. Out you see she change it, see der bano look. She see chewed it up and spit it out. Because the frozen one was donka. Grabbed froze and everything battered, what else will we put? Of course we will put a good one. Come on, give this hotter away. Known to eat there nothing or again. Nibbled through, not even unwound, in my opinion not even unwound. Frozen. Did not finish, only this very thing, didn't even work differently somehow, I'll say it myself. Today won't work. Ouch. A little bit pulled off, see, and everything. Unwind probably. And straightened so. Ran and spit it out. Hike here also nifiga no one. There is no. Well, something is. I do not understand something so light, oh. Raspberry or something, fuck. Here it is, here squinty. Here he is, so eat it. Here are the same. Hey quiet you Dorinda. Yes, she swallowed that contagion probably, yes, and not normal. No, I'm right now, those take these. I will not touch my right hand. Surgery. Hilge's operation. Come on, come on. Damn, actually. Yes, here he is, where it is, ooh. Campaign con, here he is hooked. No, she out where swallowed it yet. In the stomach, but overly swallowed. But he is, yes. Yes, yes, it is not necessary, her is the most. She won't survive by any. With guts, here's here. Out she is entirely at this. Swallowed a piece on. Well, we take not. She won't survive. Little storm. Fucking. And they're the same, and they're on these same apparently. Out che out, punch through. Still be so big, so swallowed so hard. Yeah well, yeah well. Yeah. Little Cherinachek. Sorry, of course. Out, your liver is already out. Well, this is useless. Little swallowed, so don't save her already, us. Usually, of course, these are thrown out. Why let them grow exactly? Out you see the wolf is not left fucking. That's how it was living. Well, we take it away already definitely. Because she already, everything she already doesn't load. Out it is. Liver sticking out. Yes, that's a catch. So the cutlet is small. That gopher fucking. Checked all donks. And there is nothing. 5 days in total, 5 nights. 5 days they stood. 20 plus is even worth it. And generally naked. Breakdowns are just in everything. Somewhere in the beginning here were kind of in breakdowns. Empty hooks. Yes, and the tenants are nibbled. And then at all. Silence is complete. One cheek caught the one who. Not bite out was. He is. Swallowed completely with the hook covered belly. In general, this is the kind of fishing this year. Yes, and that year something we have somehow bad. One by tangerine got caught big. Somewhere at 2 kilograms. Still a twilight. On the first ice something wrong. You have to put somewhere, probably in other places. Set for the night today to stand. Tomorrow we will shoot already, because then there will be no time to check. Work frost. Work everything freeze. Yes, just the fish can start walking. Who know him? That's okay if what gets caught. Right now we will drink another seagull. Yes, maybe we pull the snaps. So for interest. We will gather. Well, tomorrow we will come to shoot already. If what will be interesting we will join. Tomorrow we will show. And if not then. Everything to everyone while the next fishing will be on Chariza everything. Fucking fishing, I'm so accurate. So Edic, all gloves are icy. Not even useful. One time just started. This happens. Let's go.